What's up, guys? We have a lot to talk about ticker MULN, Mullen Automotive. It could be a very interesting and exciting week for Mullen. They have held their support, which is at a key level. We will see if they can hold that throughout the week, or will we be in a downtrend? It does look like there is a double bottom forming, which is a bullish signal. But like I said, there's a lot of catalysts, a lot of possible dilution. There is dilution coming. We'll talk about that soon. And the biggest concern right now is, will Mullen Automotive get to $1, or will they get a $1 minimum bid price to stay listed on the NASDAQ organically? They have until September 5th to do this. I honestly do not think they will be able to do it. And, they might even do a reverse split before September 5th. You also have an update about their Class 3 vehicles. Are these very close to starting production, or are they already in the process of doing it? We'll also talk about their new partnerships. So right now, Mullen is trading at 0.0099, down 3% on the day. So Mullen Automotive and Global EV Technology Inc., along with EV Technologies LLC, form Mullen Advanced Energy Operations LLC. This is some positive news, but there is some negative news as well. I'll go ahead and tell you guys. They say Mullen right here. Mullen will provide capital, execution, and commercialization to grow the business. So obviously this means more dilution. A very negative sign. Could be why the stock is down 3% today. But the news that with this partnership is actually positive news, because it is for improving energy management technology in electrical vehicles for greater range and vehicle performance. So a lot of competitions with who will have the best EV batteries, stuff like that. Very positive news for improving their energy management technology. Under the newly formed entity, Mullen owns 51%. It will consolidate the results of its operations and Mullen Automotive Inc. under the agreement between the parties. Global EV Technology will be contributing to its technology and existing contracts to MAEO. What I think David Mitry is doing, which isn't really good for the shareholders, is he's completing getting dilution out of the way before conducting a reverse split, because I'm really not that confident that they will be able to get to a $1 bid price organically. This is going to be very hard to do. I'm not saying it's not possible, but a reverse split will probably come. And when that is announced, if you're actually, thinking about buying Mullen Automotive right now, you do not have shares, I would honestly just wait until September, or wait another month or two, see if they actually do conduct a reverse split, because, shorts are obviously hoping that this is the case. They actually increased their short position today, and that went up. And, this is something very important to watch. If you are trying to average down or get a Mullen position, I would just wait on the sidelines and see if they do. I mean, that's what I would do if, you don't already have shares. Obviously you can average down if you do have shares as well, if they do end up doing a reverse split, which I think is highly likely. So they say both companies will be contributing and working together on known verified technology for improving existing vehicle performance and extending battery range. Obviously, this is important because the battery range is a highly competitive aspect. Thinking about EVs, a lot of competition, and whoever has the best battery technology, will have a very bright future in the EV industry. So as this technology has immediate and key implications for electric vehicles, MAEO's initial development is focused on improving Mullen's lineup of commercial and consumer EVs. Now, Mullen is really trying to dominate the commercial side of the EV sector, which, in turn, if they do this, they have a very big chunk. Even if they dominate, a certain percentage of this and don't even dominate it, there's a very big opportunity for the commercial side of EVs and a very big demand for it as well. So President Biden has set a very ambitious goal for half of new car sales to be electric, fuel cell, or hybrid electric vehicles by 2030. So if you just think of the demand for the commercial side of electric vehicles, which Mullen is targeting, this is where very big potential sets place for Mullen Automotive, and why I think, this one's very undervalued. Obviously a very risky play right now, considering they don't have revenue, they need funding, they have a lot of issues with dilution as well. But if you just think about, the market cap and the current share price, this one is still extremely undervalued in my honest opinion. On mullencommercial.com, which is their commercial website, they had a big update on the MULN 3, which the efficient Class 3 low cab Ford features a tight turning diameter of 38 feet and excellent visibility for superior maneuverability on narrow streets. Even in reverse, maneuverability is a breeze with our standard backup camera and 7-inch display screen. This versatile chassis provides a clean top of rail for easy uplifting with bodies up to 14 feet long and over 5,800 pounds of payload. In addition, the design of the LCF chassis allows more cargo link within a given overall length. It says available summer 2023, so this could mean a few different things. Apparently you can order this now, so does this mean that this is already starting production or very close to it? It could be either. Company did say that they were good on cash for the next year, but then they continuously make PRs saying that dilution and the need for capital is going to continue to go on. So what I really think the company is doing, I think that a reverse split is happening and they're trying to get dilution out of the way, which is very bad for investors, the dilution aspect of it. And considering there will probably be a reverse split, but if this does go down to 6-7 cents or something like that, it will still be at a very discounted price. The market cap is under $180 million. You take the Randy Marion deal alone, which is already worth $200 million, plus all the other potential deals and partnerships with the company. I think the valuation of this company is very undervalued. Like I said, with a market cap under $180 million, trading at just around 10 cents. This one is still undervalued. And if this one does go down to 6 cents or something like that, I will add a lot of shares and hold on to them for the long term. That's it for today's video. Make sure you thumbs up the video, put notifications on, and subscribe. Know what you think about MULN 3, your thoughts on a reverse split. I honestly think that it's bound to happen. Just leave me a comment below what you think, and I will see you guys on